Hey, it's the Bargain Bounty Hunter, and I wanted to check in. You see, it's 2022, and like you, I've set some pretty big goals for myself this year, and a lot of them have to do with my YouTube channels. So I wanted to make this video so I can tell you about what I have planned for Bargain Bounty Hunter in 2022, and also wanted to tell you about some other things I have planned for YouTube in 2022. Let's check it out. So I wanted to start by talking about Bargain Bounty Hunter and what we have planned for this channel throughout the year. I want to keep making unboxing and review videos for you, but I've kind of made some mistakes in the past with my videos, and some of them have affected my ability to become an Amazon affiliate. So I really want to try to tighten up things with my videos for Bargain Bounty Hunter going forward in 2022 and try to get to Amazon affiliate. And once I get to Amazon affiliate, I'll be able to make new, better videos. I'll be able to make videos on products that hopefully you care more about. So that's kind of going to be a change. So you're going to notice some small adjustments in the videos that I'm making for Bargain Bounty Hunter. Things that you might be used to may not be there anymore, and some things will be for the better, some things, maybe not so much. But again, this is all hoping to be able to continue to grow this channel into something better and better for you guys. So yeah, when you see the videos come out, you may think this is a little counterproductive. I'm not sure if I like this all as much, but I just want to give you the information. Is the reason I'm doing the changes is so that I can comply with the Amazon affiliate rules and regulations, and so that I can achieve that status. So like I said, hopefully through achieving that, the videos will get better and the products that I'm reviewing will get better and better as well. So what do I need from you guys? Well, I need to know what you guys are interested in. If you look at Bargain Bounty Hunter, you're going to see a pretty wide array of items that I've unboxed and reviewed. My two biggest videos since the channel started are the Dash Hot Air Popcorn Popper and the Tag Band. So those two things are kind of on opposite ends of the spectrum. One of them being like a beauty product kind of thing. The other being a kitchen gadget. I like doing both of those things, but what do you guys want? Let me know in the comments. If you can let me know in the comments of this video what you like, which videos of mine that you prefer, that's great. And maybe it's just random stuff, and if that's the case, I'll just continue on trying to find random stuff that I think is neat and make videos on that. So that's the plan with Bargain Bounty Hunter. But what about what else I have going on? So I want to talk about some other YouTube projects I have, and just be open with you guys. I have a lot on my plate. I'm a husband, I'm a father, and I work also. So this is just a hobby at this time. But the first thing I want to talk about for new channels that I'm working on is called Yeah Buddy Videos. And they'll be somewhere in here. You'll be able to see that channel, and there'll be a link in the description to it as well. So yeah, that channel I'm really excited about. Yeah Buddy Videos is a YouTube channel dedicated to bringing you amazing content ranging from the unexplained, mysteries, theories, rarities, oddities, to self-help, life help, hacks, and practical guidance. And this channel is truly something for everyone. There's a litany of things that are on that channel. I have content planned to come out twice a week for the entire year. So, I mean, there's a lot of stuff. I'm really putting a lot of focus over there on Yeah Buddy Videos. So it would mean a lot to me if you are a fan of what I'm doing here with Bargain Bounty Hunter. If you went over and checked out Yeah Buddy Videos, I think you'll find it pretty cool. So that's the first project that I'm working also on besides Bargain Bounty Hunter. The second one is a kids-based YouTube channel called Brickmasters, which is a channel that I started out for my son, who is 4 and Lego obsessed. And I thought, well, I saw him watching these videos on Legos, really simple videos, and I was like, wow, that's really easy to do, and he really loves them. So I'm like, I'm going to try doing that with the Lego sets that I buy him. So what is the channel? It focuses on Lego set building and just sets and pieces. So it's really a simple video. They're not very long videos, but its focus is for kids. And my plan for that channel is to hopefully get it picked up by YouTube Kids and let it take off from there. But that's a kind of a process because there's no submitting videos to YouTube Kids. You just have to wait for the YouTube algorithm to recognize that, hey, these videos are for a younger audience and kids will probably like them. And then they just kind of put it up on YouTube Kids. So hopefully that will happen. But, you know, it's up to the YouTube algorithm at this point. And then the third one that I'm really focusing on this year is a Star Wars YouTube channel called Star Wars Who's Who. And if you're familiar with Bargain Bounty Hunter, you've probably noticed, or I've talked about, or seen things in the background. I'm wearing a shirt even, that I am the host of a podcast and vidcast called geek-cetera, and I have been for many years. So we have a YouTube channel called geek-cetera, and on that channel we made a large amount of videos focused on all kinds of different geeky and nerdy things. But one little niche that we had was what we called Star Wars Who's Who, which is a channel that kind of focused on cameo videos and bit characters from the Star Wars universe, and it was doing pretty good. So what we kind of did was I migrated that little subsection of geek-cetera, which is Star Wars Who's Who, and made it into its own YouTube channel called Star Wars Who's Who. And I don't have any videos up there right now, but my plan is to, within the next few weeks, have several come out and try to put up one a week. That's the plan. We'll see if it sticks to it, but you can check out there. And the videos that I have up on geek-cetera's channel, they're actually, some of them have kind of been outdated because of newer content that's come up, like the Book of Boba Fett, for example, which just released this year. So some of those things are going to have to be adjusted. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to adjust the old videos and update them and put them up on the new channel, Star Wars Who's Who. So check that out if you're a Star Wars fan, or if you like geek-cetera, check it out over there. So you may think, wow, that's I just talked about 4 channels, right? Bargain Bounty Hunter, and then Yeah Buddy videos, and Brickmaster, and Star Wars Who's Who. But that's actually not all of the videos. Besides those, or the YouTube channels, excuse me. Besides those ones, I also have Boston Sports Geek, where I do hype videos and highlight videos and draft videos for all the Boston sports teams. And I have Tranquility Station, which is ambient sounds and music and sounds to sleep to. And again, I still have geek-cetera going, which is for everything geeky. And I'm flirting with the idea of starting an art channel for my wife, who's a fantastic artist. She does acrylic pouring and all kinds of different art. And I was thinking, you know what, this is a great opportunity for her to get her art out there through YouTube. So I'm kind of considering that idea. I don't have a name for it or anything planned yet, but it's possibly coming in 2022. So you may say, how does he have all those irons in the fire? He's also works, and he has a son and he's a husband. Well, the answer to your question is it's a grind. And that's part of the reason why you don't see so many videos coming up all the time, like dropping all the time on all these channels, is because I can only focus in one area at a time. But my goal, and this is something I said from the outset, that I had big goals for 2022. Well, my goal is to make 2022 the last year that I work for someone else, so that if I grind this year, 2022, and really grow these channels, by 2023, I can step away from my secular work and focus full-time on YouTube and all these channels, primarily Bargain Bounty Hunter, Yeah Buddy, Brickmaster, Star Wars Who's Who, maybe the art one, some of the other ones as side projects and stuff like that. But yeah, that's the plan. It's kind of a dream at this point. I'm hoping that happens, but it kind of is all based on if I can get enough subscribers and interest in the channels and the content that I'm making. So that's the plan going forward for 2022. I hope I didn't bore you too much with my rambling and talking, but I really wanted to reach out to you guys and talk to you all. And I wanted to say, too, that I really appreciate all the support that I've been getting through Bargain Bounty Hunter and the other channels as well. You guys seem to like the content that I'm producing, and I love making it. And I appreciate all the likes and subscribes. And if you want to do any one step further, the only thing I could say is just share it. Share it with your friends. Share it on your social media, so other people can find it, and hopefully I can do this full time going forward in 2023. Thanks so much. I appreciate you watching this video, and stay safe.